I don't know.
Oh, to those of you.
Yes, yes.
To those of
There you go. Try again. Ooh. You're welcome. Perfect. Good to see you. A little bit more. A little bit more. Yes, yes. Try curling. Whoa. Hello. Hey. How are you? Of course. Do you remember?
One more.
All right. You want to play? Go try it. Show him how. Show him, man. Thank you. There's others meeting on the other side. Alright. Ray, you wanna try? Yes.
Nice.
Sorry ka. Sorry.
Sorry ka na.
Yeah, nice.
Oh, okay. Ang dami ah.
Sorry, makabawi agad.
Half goes in your pocket, half goes to the United Way.
Hi kayo ha.
Ayun, kilala.
Smile.
Sinong driver? Ayan, yan. Go. Yan, si AC. On your left.
Put the frame up just a little bit. Perfect. Great, thank you. Selfie frame. We're gonna put it up at work.
Still zone 6. So basically,
Oh, nilarapon nila. Lagi ka naman ah. Ba, siyempre na ako ah.
okay, so we'll start with this here.
Sino eh? Sulok na katrabaho dati. Dulo kami. Dulo ka. Oh, dito.
You can see it's our facility making all the molds for us to be able to part through.
Dito ka na ba? Ay, hindi ka dito kaya.
Flyer and motor coach. So on this area, we do the roofs for new flyer. So these are the molds for the roof. Different kind of. Sukpao! He's the ME here. Sukpao!
2 hours.
No. Hey, Sukpao!
Sa sidewall. Ito yung side nyo naman. Sa sidewall. Yung side yan. Bago bintana, di ba? Yan na yung sa baba.
I wanna ask Susan, who's working here?
And then, we're showing here, this year,
Hawakan ko rin to.
Dito ka na.
Dito ako nagsimula ng gelcon.
Oh.
Yan ako nag-gelcon. Yan. Kaya
Ito.
training din ako ng
goes through before shipping it out, and needs finishing it. All the operators do it here. And then after that, shipping area is on the other side. Make the product, we need all the
So, tumingin ka.
Ay,
Tingnan mo yun. O, turo mo din si daddy daw. Turo. Sino dyan si daddy mo?
Yan. Daddy yan, daddy.
Is he in there? Where?
Ayan ang mga lalagyan. Yan ang lalagyan ng mga battery. Yan. Finished product na yan. Yan. Battery box. Finished product na yan.
Finish na yan.
Oo, ito finish. Deliver na.
Pagka hindi pa finish.
Nakikita mo na doon yung battery.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Yan po. Yan.
Where is daddy?
Iba yan, iba kulay. May gray, may light blue. Tayo, di pa sa ulo.
Hindi.
Ito yung baso, ito lang yung pinto. Dati yung pinakamanirap din.
Saan ka dito tumatambay? Saan ka tumatambay?
Ito ng bus. Yan, sismad siya lahat. Sarap yan. 8 hours gawin ito. Yes, 8 hours. 6 to 8 hours gawin.
Yan ang ginagawa mo. Ito malaki eh.
Ayun mga ball din yan.
Malaki.
Oo. Tara.
Hindi yan.
Yan yung lagi na sa tabi ko. Yan yung material. Yan yung ginagamit na.
Doon. Uy.
Yan po, lahat yan. Kailangan ito talaga.
Ano sabi mo? Ulitin mo.
Alan Pinon. Alan Pinon.
Yung ano yan? Yung ano? Yung ano yan?
Card.
Yung ano ka mo yan?
Yung pogi.
Turo
Oh, washroom. Yan sa washroom. Pwede kayo mag-washroom. Ito, lakar namin.
Wala ba doon sa labas?
Bakit sa labas eh?
Ano tong part na to?
Ang cafeteria. Dito ka nagkakape.
Hindi.
Cafeteria.
Ganda, may bilihan kayo ah.
Meron.
Nice.
Oh, buwa na. May pa-camera dyan. Stand kayo. Kailan mo ba hindi?
You can take. Are these free?
Sorry, supervisor. Mga pang meeting. You wanna go now? Go!
Forma picture.
Nako! Nasa mo! Only ball. Go lang. Lucas, go next.
Go ahead.
Okay, go push it. Time out. Oh, time out.
The guy is asking, who driving? So that guy.
Gawa niyo to, Daddy?
Hindi, yung sa labas. Yung sa ito,
Yung parts.
itong washroom. Sa amin to, washroom. Yan, tsaka itong bubong amin. Pero yung mga components sa loob, hindi yan. Hello! Hola!
Oh, kayo gawa nito? Did you...
Oh, are you ready?
Did you make
We're
this?
going now. We're leaving.
Did you make this bus day?
Yeah, MCI. Of course, with the help of new pliers and car pair.
Ayun na, papasok na sila.
Ano yan, ha? Anong tawag dyan? Anong tawag dyan? Orange bus. Anong tawag sa bus na yun?
Sabi nila, Jet Basta.
To dunk Nelson all week. So get lined up and dunk Nelson.
Anong food niya? Anong food niya?
Dancing.
Hot dog. What about you, Ambre? What's your food? Donut? How about you?
Cash yan. May cash ka ba?
Shoot mo. Layo naman. Makatama ka. Lapit ka. Go near. Mga matamaan mo sila. Ayan, oh. Shoot. Isa pa na. Bye.
Nice to meet you. I love to teach you. Love to freak you. She loves religion. It's cool, baby. Find a preacher. She wants control. Violently. She wants a contract. I break. To be honest, I just want to fuck, to say the least.
Daisy. Oh, bye-bye na kayo. Bye! 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 Bye!
Oh.
Yeah, sure.
Uh-oh, the ribbon.
This way.